Good morning, everyone. Thank you for clicking on today's video. We'll be heading out to the range. Finally, you guys, it's been a pretty long time since we've gone out to the range. I'll be shooting my North American Arms Black Widow and the Ruger SR 1911. You guys stay tuned. Alright, you guys, we are back from the range. Already got the firearm cleaned up. It is empty, you guys, and that was a whole lot of fun to shoot, you guys. I will say the reloading process is pretty slow on this revolver, but everyone knows that whenever you pick one of these up right here. There you can see, very nice cylinder. Still looks a bit dirty here. I feel like it came like this from the factory, like this side was a little bit darker. Cleaned her up. But yeah, like I said, a whole lot of fun to shoot. You can shoot this one-handed, so that was pretty nice. The sights definitely help. I feel like had I went with the other model, we would have probably struggled to aim it a little bit. But anyways, this firearm is for, you know, very close ranges. I only shot it out to 3 yards. I didn't try going any further. I feel like I was hitting, I want to say a little low. I believe that's right. Or a little high, I can't remember. Everything that I was aiming at the center. I think all the rounds, yeah, I think they were going a little high actually. Gotta get used to these sights. Pretty easy to take apart, put together. The tricky thing is trying to get it right into that notch. There's a way to rest it into those notches that are between the cylinders. You have to pull it back and then pull the trigger. There we go. I think we got it right there actually. Anyways, the booklet that comes with this firearm does show you how to do that. You can practice it with some blanks or with the empty cylinder before you put live ammo in there and try to put it on one of those little resting notches. You're supposed to pull this hammer back, and as you're pulling it back, pull the trigger and release it forward slowly into one of those notches, and then you'll be able to slide into there. But see, when you see the two circles like this, no, it's on one of the rounds right there. I think we got it. Yeah, we got it there, because now you see the two circles up here, so we're right in the between them. It's a little bit tricky, but that's how you want to carry it, on one of the notches if you are going to carry this little revolver. Anyways, you guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it's a short one. We'll try and get out to the range a little more. Shout out to Jake. We do have a couple of range passes. I know I have one still for the Athena, and I got one for the gun range out in Crosby. Today we were out at the Texas City. That's where I got my yearly pass at. It's definitely a good range, and luckily nobody was really out there. Sometimes it's pretty busy. I think right now it's still a little bit slow, but it's definitely going to pick up once we get into that hunting season. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe.